Good evening to one and all. We are grateful to God for the numerous blessings that we, the members of Our Lady of Mercy, have received for the past 25 years through various persons in our province. On this great day, as we celebrate the twin feasts, the Feast of the Immaculate Conception and the name day of our beloved Superior General, Reverend Sister Kamala Skaria, we are delighted and honored to begin the short history of our communities through the channel OLMP Saga.
It's a great event to celebrate the silver jubilee of the erection of a province. I am immensely happy that Our Lady of Mercy province of the Sisters of Saint Anne Bangalore is in the peak of its silver jubilee. I am told to commemorate this occasion, the province is launching a YouTube channel to upload videos on the humble growth of this province from its birth in 1995 up to the year 2020, the Silver Jubilee year. I sincerely appreciate the Provincial Superior, Sister Alphonse, and team for their initiative to create videos on the history of the communities of the province. I am sure your effort will become a very good source for the historical study of the congregation in the future. Answering the invitation of the Master to launch into the deep, to step into the unknown, you, especially the pioneers of the province, took a huge leap of faith and went to very unfamiliar shores, and the Lord was with you, and you have grown. I am proud that your ministry in parishes, schools, health centers, social fields, among the young, the old, the displaced, the needy, and the poor have truly made a difference. God has blessed the province, and it has grown sufficiently as to give birth to a region under your province which is marching towards its growth to reach to the status of a province. As I magnify the Lord along with you in this Silver Jubilee year for cradling this province from its birth up to now with manifold blessings, I do congratulate the provincial superiors of the past and the present and their team for their mighty contributions you have made, the growth you have brought in through institutions and membership. May God bless you in your march from the silver to the gold to reach out to the peripheries with the sunshine of your love and compassion. May Mary, the Mother of Mercy, the heavenly patroness of your province, protect you. Bishop Stephen Louis Charbonneau, our founder, intercede for you. Archbishop Thomas Potakamuri, our reformer, inspire you. And all the saints in heaven support you in your journey towards greater growth. May God bless you.
Faithfulness. Psalm 138, 1 and 2. My dear sisters, a warm welcome to each one of you. I'm glad to present to you a glimpse of the history of the communities of Our Lady of Mercy province. I thank God that by His grace and the diligent and strenuous effort of our pioneer sisters, our congregation has reached greater horizon in every aspect. We are overwhelmed with joy to exclaim that Our Lady of Mercy, the Mother Province of our congregation, has already stepped into the another milestone, the Silver Jubilee year of its inception. Indeed, it is a celebration of God's providential care and an expression of deep gratitude to Him. In the words of St. Paul, it is the richness of the grace which God has showered upon us, and we are truly grateful. Though the sisters visage challenges in many ways, especially in their ministries and from the surroundings, they face it with God's grace. John Paul II wrote that religious are first and foremost called to be the icon of the transfigured Christ. 25 years of devotion to God and to the Church is done with the faithfulness of God. Now it's time for us to thank the Almighty for His numerous blessings and authenticity towards us. We glorify God for placing us under the patronage of our Blessed Mother, whose heavenly intercession and constant protection have been the source of inspiration. On this joyous occasion, as a gesture of love and gratitude, we are pleased to present a short glance of our 39 communities, the achievements in the life and activities of the province, and appreciate our sisters for their numerous contributions. I take this opportunity, first and foremost, to thank God for the benevolent blessings and our dear sisters and the collaborators in our different apostolates for their commitment and hard work that the numerous blessings we have received. Certainly, our Major Superiors, namely Superiors General and their team, and the Provincial Superiors and their team, past and present, had been the backbone for all the development in the province. A special thanks to Reverend Sister Kamala, the present Superior General, for all her support, guidance, the message and the appreciation that she has given in this video. We are grateful to each of them and all the sisters of the province for their assistance and cooperation. I invite you, my dear sisters, to view our videos on every Sunday at 5 p.m. and we request your valuable prayers for the members of our province. We know that we are not presenting a perfect work, but for you to know and have an idea about our communities in different places and the apostolates. With the gratitude to each one of you and wishing you God's abundant blessings, I conclude this short message. May God bless you all.